Meaning of hawkish.
hawkish,
Hawkish.
hawkish,
Hawkish. Hawkish is an adjective used to describe a person or policy that is aggressive or militant, particularly in matters of foreign affairs or economics. A hawkish approach is often characterized by a willingness to use force or take a strong stance, rather than seeking diplomatic solutions. This term is most commonly used in the context of politics and international relations. In general, being hawkish is seen as the opposite of being dovish, which suggests a preference for a more peaceful and conciliatory approach.